डिसिल्टिंग जे आहा तें आमचें वार्षिक काम जावन आसा. चवथी पयली डिसिल्टिंग जाता, पावसा पयली डिसिल्टिंग जाता आनी हें काम फिक्स आसा. म्हाका दिसता फाटल्या आयतारा तारी कडेन डिसिल्टिंग जाल्लेलें आसा. म्हाका दिसता हांगा 2 दीस पयलीं कुचेले ह्याच भागान डिसिल्टिंग जाला. आतां आमी उलयता थंय बामणवाडो कुचेली ह्या भागान डिसिल्टिंग आतां चालू आसा. सो डिसिल्टिंग pre-festive season desilting has been taken place. I had moved a note, I think after assembly, I'm not sure that exact date, and Honorable Minister had assured on the floor of the house that henceforth desilting will be taken place regularly. तेणे आपले उतर दवरून desilting म्हापशान चवथी पयली पूर्ण कंप्लीट जातले. तशेंच मिनिस्टरान प्रॉमिस केलेलें आसा की पावस सोंपले की ही विल डू अ thorough desilting in Mapsa River right from Green Park to Moira. So I think this is a more important exercise which will avoid us having to do the desilting 2-3 times a year. I think if this thorough desilting takes place, it has not been done in many years. We are expecting a scientific and a proper full-fledged desilting to take place somewhere post October or November is what Honorable Minister has assured on the floor of the House, and he will come personally, he said, to monitor this entire process.
Simultaneously, beautification will take place of that tar river.
No,
you can even do boating.
Beautification we had mentioned during the end of my previous tenure, where GS, I was the Vice Chairman of GSIDC that time. We had mentioned that to take up a nice project right from Green Park all the way to Moira. So I think the Honorable Chief Minister recently in his visit, I can't remember where, he brought up this topic again and mentioned about this evaluation taking place. I will follow up with GSIDC and see where this entire project has reached. It will be one of the best projects in the state of Goa. There is no beautification done of any river. I think Mapsa being a traditional merchant town, we will have a nice system in place, or a nice traditional showcase of the traditional way in which goods were brought in from the port through the Zuari river and through the Mapsa river, and Tarikode the unload zatale sagle boti thi yatale koili. So we will try to see what we can recreate to make a nice walkway or like a nice evening set out place for people to come and enjoy the beauty of this river that has been underrated or gone unseen.